Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how we can create a graph chart in WordPad. To get started, open your WordPad document, then click Insert Object and select the Microsoft Graph Chart and click OK. Here you can edit your data and categories. And if you want to add another column, double click on the next empty cell. If you want to change these numbers, double click on them, then Scale, and next to Maximum, enter the number that you need. You can also change patterns, font, category, and alignment. To change the column color and style, click on column, then right click on it, and click Format Data Series. And here you can select a different color and change shape. And if you want to remove a category, for example, I want to remove this category, select it and press delete on your keyboard. You can do the same with a column. If you want to remove this section, then right click on it and click Format Legend and then Placement. And you can move it to the bottom corner, top, or left. And then to edit your graph chart, just double click on it. That's how you can create a graph chart in WordPad. Thank you for watching.